How to pay Apollo Group TV with a credit card. Now in this quick video, I'll show you how you can use your credit card as a mode of payment on Apollo Group TV subscription. Now first things first is launch your Apollo Group TV via the web version or maybe the application. And once you're here, just simply go into clicking this option here that says login. Now once you've successfully logged in into your Apollo Group TV account, you will be linked or you will automatically be addressed and pull up your subscription that you're in. But if you're still new on this platform right here, then all you have to do is to access all the subscriptions page available on this platform here. Now, additional information that credit cards was just recently added, allowing users to pay directly via credit card through their collaboration with Radium Solutions. So all you have to do is just switch your or change your payment method into credit card, input your credit card credentials like your card number and so on and so forth, and make the payment. And that's it. That's how you pay Apollo Group TV with credit card.